Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Shashank. Today's class is about HTML links. The syntax of the link tag as shown below, where A is the anchor tag in HTML, it is also called link tag. href is the attribute of anchor tag which indicates the address of the anchor tag. Target is another attribute of anchor tag which indicates that where to open the linked document or linked address, where attribute is called property of respective tags. Now we will discuss about the different type of target attributes. First one is underscore blank, which opens the document in new tab or new window. Second one is underscore self, which opens the document in same tab or same window. Third one is underscore parent, which opens the document in the parent frame. We will discuss frame in later section of HTML playlist. Fourth one underscore top, which opens the document in full body of the window. Now we will discuss about the different type of links. Under this, first one is absolute links. What is meant by absolute links? Which shows the absolute address of another website. For example, Ahref, it directs to the Google because it shows http www.google.com, and target is blank means it is open in the new window or new tab. Second type of links are relative links. What is meant by relative links? The links contains the address of the local pages, means they are interconnected to the each pages of the website. For example, ahref contact slash contact1.html means contact is the folder name under that website folder, and contact one is the page name of the website. Third type of links are email links. What is meant by email links? The link contains the address of the email. Fourth type is using a image as a link, means we are creating a anchor tag using a image. We will discuss about images in the later section of the HTML playlist. Friends, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.